Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today in this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Windows 10 or 11 copy slow problem. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to disable the auto turning. So if you are copying any files through your network, then disable Windows auto turning. So this option will help you to improve the performance or program that you are receiving from your TCP data over the network. So to disable this option, you just need to go to your start menu or search window. Now type over here CMD. Now just right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator, and now click on OK. Now after open command prompt, you just need to copy on command, which one I will give you in my video description. So the command is netish space int space tcp space act space global space auto turning level, then equals to disabled. After typing this command, press enter from your keyboard, and as you can see, it is showing like OK. If you want to go back your normal settings, then you just need to simply type the same command, which is netish space int space tcp space set space global space auto turning level equals to normal. So here you just need to type normal, and after that press enter, and it will go back your normal settings. So once it will done, after disable this auto turning, you just need to go to your settings option. So right click on your start menu icon, then go to settings. Now here you just need to click on apps. Now click on optional features. Now you have to find more features option. Now here on this window you will get a option called RDC. So you just need to turn off this option. Just uncheck, and you just need to click on OK. Once it will done, the last option, you just need to go to your start menu or search window, then type here services.msc. After that press enter or click on the services app, then optimize drive, which is showing over here as you can see. So right click on it and go to properties. After that, here you just need to select automatic and click on apply. Once it will done, you just need to close this window and restart your PC, and it will get a better copy speed on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and if it is, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button. If you have any type of question, then contact with me or comment on the comment section. I will reply. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.